Hello everyone, and welcome to this unboxing of the Elite Screen's projector screen. The screen material is called CineGrey 3D, which is supposed to offer higher quality compared to white, silver, and many other screens. So let's get straight to the unboxing and assembly. Now we're ready to set up the screen. I'll put on the included gloves because the screen is very delicate and even a small mark can affect its appearance. First, we need to secure the corners. As you can see, there are hooks underneath, and by using this tool, we need to lock the corners in place, just like this. Now, let's attach the entire screen, starting from the top. There should also be a spring mechanism to keep it tight. All right, I've installed it perfectly, nice and tight. The hardest part was loosening and adjusting the corners, as they required some extra work. Now let's attach the black frame. It's extremely thin, unlike the usual wide bands that some projector screens have. It looks really sleek and well made. Here it is, fully assembled. It took quite some time, and it's definitely not the easiest installation. Let's proceed with the installation to the wall. This is the projected image without the new screen. These brackets will help hold the screen in place. Now, let's secure 2 screws at the top, ensuring they are perfectly aligned with the 2 screws on the other side. Since we are working with drywall, we need to use these anchors and the appropriate screws we bought separately. Otherwise, the included screws are meant for concrete walls. Now let's move on to the test. As you can see, the window is open and the lights are on. Turning on the projector, we need to wait a moment for it to warm up. At maximum brightness, we can already notice a hotspot effect. This depends on the projector itself. The hotspot is a bright central area compared to the rest of the image. To mitigate this, the manufacturer suggests lowering the brightness. I set it to economy mode, but honestly, there's not much difference between economy and normal modes. I've always kept it on economy to extend the lamp life. Another thing to keep in mind is that this screen is made of a special material called CineGrey 3D. It enhances dark tones and reduces ambient light interference, but you need to view it from the front. If you look at it from too wide an angle, the reflection diminishes. This is due to the reflective material, which is designed for optimal front-facing viewing. Now let's compare it to the previous screen. The contrast on the old setup was quite poor. Comparing the new CineGrey 3D screen to both the wall and my previous Elite screen's white screen, the difference isn't massive. The old screen was plain white with a wider black border. The new screen has a gain of 1.2, which minimizes ambient light interference and enhances contrast. The optimal viewing angle is 90 degrees, so you can move about 45 degrees to the left or right before noticing a drop in quality. Now, switching to a nighttime view, we can see that the screen is very bright and performs well. However, the projector still has an issue with a halo effect, which is unfortunately a projector limitation. Overall, the installation is not extremely complicated, but it is tricky and requires extra care to avoid damaging the delicate and expensive screen. However, the end result is excellent, and the screen looks like a high-end 100-inch TV. All right, that's all for now. See you next time. Bye.